Ho, ho, ho! Hello to all you good little boys and girls watching Santa's special video announcement. I'm here to tell you the good news about the new BeeBrain Lite flight controller.
Here it is, 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 here it is!
Ho, ho! Calm your little ass down. You people get so uppity this time of year.
What do you mean, you people?
Whoa, whoa, what happened to you, little man?
I got hit in the face with a snowball?
That's right, and don't you forget it. But I'm here to talk to you about the new BeeBrain Lite. Santa feels a little guilty after little man got hit by a snowball. So now every order up to Christmas for the BeeBrain Lite will include a set of gold motors, clear frame, and random props. If you want to stay off Santa's naughty list, pre-order now at NewBeeDrone.com.
Please buy the BeeBrain Lite.
Santa. I got kids in Atlanta, others out in Alabama, couple kids in Alaska.